Say what?
If you were a girl, what would you do?
I'm not gonna answer this because I'm not a girl.
I'm just saying if you were.
If you were.
If I was a girl,
Yes.
I'll be beating these niggas up.
Good? Alright.
Answer?
Okay, JJ, if you're a boy, what would you do?
Nada.
Nada.
Say what?
No, I was talking to my little sister.
I'm
Big. Ah. At time.
Stop. How are you? At time, okay.
Okay, question. If you were a girl, what would you do? Why you down to
Probably stick my thumb in my ass. I don't know.
Okay.
But I can do that right now.
Hell, don't do that.
Imagine he does though.
For real.
Give me.
Alright. Oh, this shit's funny.
If you were a dude, what would you do?
Oh, fuck, I will kill myself.
I'll beat my meat.
Slap the monkey.
You're a monkey.
Hell,
You're Pennywise.
Not funny.
I'm Pennywise.
You not sound like him.
I'm Pennywise.
Alright.
Okay, guys, I have a dilemma. Can you help me out?
Okay.
Okay, I'm a virgin.
I'm pretty sure everyone's... Okay, never mind.
Everyone on there is one.
Well, there's that one. Alright, now this one. At time.
At time or quick?
At time or quit. Okay, question.
If you were a girl, what would you do?
Oh no. Fuck dick.
I'm saying that.
Okay. Is that all you...
Jalen's live.
Is that all you would do?
Yeah.
Alright.
You know her?
Alright then. Peace.
No. Do you know? I feel like I know him. Oh my god.
You went bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bitches. At time.
At time.
Oh my god, these questions are getting boring.
Say a different question then, JJ.
Okay. Oh, stop. No.
Let's ask. I don't know what to ask.
Ew.
Ali.
Ugly.
Not you, you're talking to someone else.
Yeah, we're talking to someone
Okay.
else.
At time?
Ah.
At time? If you're a girl, what would you do?
If I was a girl, what would I do?
Yeah.
I was to go to the bathroom, maybe talk.
Okay.
Aha.
Aha.
Goody.
Goody.
Alright then, peace.
I like turtles.
Alright, sorry, JJ. But these questions get funny. The same question gets funny.
Okay.
Oh my god, JJ, your phone won't stand up. I'm getting mad.
Oh, you have that one too?
Yeah, it's gonna recording.
No, I'm talking about.
I'm not talking to you, Kira, right now.
At time.
Stay out of our business.
Shut up. At time.
Boy.
I don't know.
We gotta ask a question. Just add time.
Nah.
Okay, bye. Bitch. Fuck.
You look like a freaking You look like a Barney with that on.
Never.
You like big black dick.
You look like Barney.
Anyways, add time.
You look like Barney.
Okay, question.
Follow us back.
What would you guys do if you guys were a girl?
I would want to start my period.
Damn, I'm pretty sure you do not.
Come see mine.
You are not gonna want to start your period because damn, I'm gonna feel bad for you if you do.
Can y'all say hi, TikTok?
Hi, TikTok.
What's up?
Wait. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
What's
Hi.
up, TikTok?
What's that? Hey, y'all have TikTok?
I do.
No, do it, JJ.
Hey, I will follow you on TikTok. What's
She
your
does.
TikTok?
What's your
She
TikTok?
Okay. LUV
LUV
dot
dot
CODYY
CDO Wait,
You
what?
C-O-D-Y.
C-D...
C-O-D-Y-Y.
Yeah.
Your name is Cody?
Which one?
No, I remember it. Let me see.
Anyways.
Okay, so
At time. Okay, question. What would you do if you were a girl?
O-D-Y-Y. That's what he said.
No, really.
Oh, I
Like, what
found
would
it.
you do if you were a
That's
girl?
him.
Look, that's him.
Is that him?
Yeah.
Is he famous?
Is he famous?
That is him.
He's famous.
So?
Okay. You have TikTok? You have TikTok?
Okay, so you literally won't do nothing if you're a girl?
Wait, I've seen him before. Oh, shoot, I've seen him before.
Hey, we're
I
talking.
follow him.
JJ.
I don't care. I follow him.
I'm so happy now.
What?
For real.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
go.
Peace.
I didn't dream about this. I was gonna be my favorite TikToker. But not a monkey, okay? Did not think that.
Okay. Stop. Move.
Kira, shut up, Kira.
We're doing some filters.
At time. Alright. Question. What would you do if you were a girl?
I think that's a good.
First thing I would do,
What would you do if you were a girl?
go play myself.
And I open it.
Damn. Okay.
You're really recording
See
it?
how it feels. Alright? See if it's different from
She says, yeah.
Alright. Bye. He basically telling us to play with ourselves. That's why I said bye. Common sense. Alright, bye y'all.